Driving around in LaSal towards the mountains, lots of fog.
Now the boats will come. Wait.
See all
Still
the
slow.
birds up here on
Yeah.
the electricity wires. So many birds up there.
Trees. Oh man, these birds are those woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers.
Yeah, see it.
Oh, they're woodpeckers?
Yeah. Check it now, see.
Their nose?
Yeah. So many.
Interesting.
That many. I never seen it.
And the fog's covered up the mountains up ahead. Over here, there's no fog. Over here, there's a lot. You can barely see the snow on top of the LaSal Mountains up ahead. Just driving around on my day off.